In this session, I am going to explain the manufacturing process in acSys ERP. Generally, the process involves the following steps. 1. Job order creation. It is a requisition for finished goods manufacturing, which includes details of finished goods, estimation of raw materials and costs. 2. Production start. Initiates the production process for the job order. 3. Issue voucher. Issuance of raw materials for the job. 4. Production completion. Closure of job, and update the inventory with the manufactured finished goods. In a demand-driven manufacturing, the sales order is the first step, which is then converted to a job order, followed by manufacturing process, and then the delivery of the finished goods. Before we start the manufacturing, we need to have a finished good item, and its bill of materials configured in the system. System supports fixed BOM, and variant BOM. Variant BOM are used when finished goods are manufactured with minor differences like color, size, or features. Let's create a BOM for magnetic gift box of various sizes. Open the BOM master form, click on New button, and enter the raw material items required for the finished goods item. The usage of corrugated sheets are based on the size of the gift box. So, instead of fixed quantity, let's give a simple formula in this example to calculate the sheets required. Then create the finished goods item for magnetic gift box 2x2. Open the item master. Click on New button. Set the inventory type as finished goods. Select the BOM and set the required size parameters. Fill in other details as required. Similarly, I have added another finished good item of different size, magnetic gift box 2x4. We will now create a sales order for the magnetic gift boxes. Create a new job. You can either enter the finished good items, or convert from sales order. Let's choose a previously created sales order. The first grid shows the finished good item from the sales order for manufacturing. The second grid shows the estimated raw materials based on the BOM configuration for the finished good. You can see that the corrugated sheets are estimated based on the size parameters of the finished goods. You can add or delete the items as required. I am adding the labor expense of amount 300 to this job. Save, and print the job. Next step is to start the production process, and set the appropriate production status. To issue the raw materials for this specific job order, create a new issue voucher, and select the job order number. Select the production expense account for destination ledger. Select the employee, and the production unit. Enter the reference number for this job, if applicable. The raw materials related to the job order are automatically loaded here. Multiple issue vouchers can be issued, but I will issue all the raw materials in the same issue voucher. Save, and print. This process will reduce the raw materials from the stock. I will set the production status to complete. And check the stock for the finished goods. Let's create sales invoice for the finished goods. Open the sales invoice form, click on New button, select the sales order number from the list. Let's select the type as cash invoice. If goods are delivered separately, then uncheck the Update Inventory check box. I am going to deliver the item with this invoice. Saving the document will launch the cashier form, where it shows the cash tendered, and the balance details. You have seen the manufacturing process in acSysERP.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.